Hello, Christopher Boylan here from the Plantech Nuhaus Design and Build team. Today we are back at Shelbourne Road, Dublin 4, and we are at our new project here at Lansdowne Gardens. On our last visit, you can see from the finishes that we have now completed external installation, and we have added the bespoke sunroom extension. This is a triple glazed bespoke kit supplied by Cubo Windows, fully airtight and a passive structure, and it's a small extension to the open plan space, but it makes a huge difference to the design. It's tied into the kitchen area. The open plan space is over 60 square meters. The extension here is about 8 or 9 square meters, but it has that modern design detail onto the back of the traditional elevation. On the extension here, you can see the inner brick finish, which mimics the brick traditional finish throughout the Lansdowne Gardens and the external front elevation. We'll have a look at that in more detail on the inside. There's some landscaping to be completed here. We're pretty much at practical completion stage of the project. The guys are finishing external installation and some second fix plumbing, and furniture fixtures are happening inside with the kitchen and wardrobes, some flooring, joinery. We'll go inside and we'll have a look at that in more detail. So we'll start at the back rear elevation of the property, and you can see immediately the kitchen extension. The kitchen units and furniture is being assembled, and you can see the glass sunroom from the inside here. You get a full panoramic view of the back garden. It's semi-protected at the moment, but even on a nice sunny day today, you can see the light that's coming through and spilling into the back kitchen and open plan space. You have the brick clad finish, and you have the exposed steel beams here, the structural engineered beams supporting the 3 stories here. We've left them exposed, and the kitchen units are starting to take shape. So if you pan around to the open plan space here, you can see the original front reception room and the back reception room here, which has the original brick arches, and we've mimicked those arches throughout the building. You have the front reception room left and right of the fire breast, which is plastered and skimmed, and here we have the original brick, which is going to be upgraded and refurbed. We also have the arches in the hallway and on the entrance from the hallway to the front living room. We have a crittle door being fitted here at a later date to divide the front and back room. But in general, we have about 60-70 square meters of open plan space. A big transformation versus the original. You can see from the first videos the big difference here. We're almost there, but you can see immediately as you come through the building the big differences on the space, the layout, and the work that went into this building from a refurb perspective and structural engineering, the groundworks, the exterior insulation. It's a huge difference and a huge project here undertaken by the Nuhaus team on site, and it's a big major renovation which we're very proud of. It's almost there. But let's have a look throughout the rest of the building. We'll see other finishes. So in the front garden here, you can see the guys are setting up the driveway and laying some hardcore and new boundary treatment systems. We also have a retention of part lawn here. We're going to reinstate the original granite plinth and black rail with pedestrian access. And we have some more boundary treatments being built here for the new homeowners. We have some raised bedding and we have some paving slabs. So you can see the front elevation here also. We still have to do some pointing work on the brickwork. But in general, the major works here involve landscaping, some drainage, and the front facade, new windows and some brick pointing. Let's go on inside and have a look at the internal works. So on the front entrance we have some more granite paving, some landscaping, so new eco channel, new front hall door and side panel system. In general, we kept a lot of the original features on the front. There wasn't much change. There's some rainwater pipes, downpipes and fascia soffits, some external insulation to the gable and to the rear, but not much changed to the front. Come on inside and have a look at some internal works. So here you have the original hallway. The original stairs was retained. It's being sanded and stained. That goes right up to the attic level. Here we have the disability access lift here on the left hand side, which goes also to the 3rd level. Let's have a look at the 1st floor and attic level. So on the 1st floor here you can see we have the bedroom access, and we also have some services plant area here. So we have some mechanical and storage zone. We have the new family bathroom. It's just been tiled. So the bath is fitted at the moment. The wash and basin and toilet will be fitted later today. Let's have a look at the ensuite and other bedrooms. So this is the back bedroom, and you can see the new windows are fitted. New reveals are being plastered and skinned. and the view to the back garden. Let's have a look at the master bedroom and ensuite. So this is the master bedroom, and you can see the front elevation here and front garden as you pan around to your right hand side. The original windows are currently being plastered and skimmed. So through here you have the ensuite, which is currently tiled and ready for wash hand basin, loo and sanitary fixtures. Again, here we have full tanking in the wet room. You have a full tanked wall, floor system and full height tile panels. So at the attic level here you can see the nice double landing window, and the stair finish again, it's currently being stained and sanded and stained. That's the finish from the original all the way down to the ground floor. On the left hand side here we have the lift door, which you looked at on the lower level. Then you have your dormer window, which was renovated, fully insulated, airtight membranes and all A-rated fixtures fitted, external insulation, triple glazed windows, and you can see the lighting system. Here's a good opportunity to actually see the mechanical heat recovery system. You can see the insulation on the roof, and that's ducted throughout the whole building. So a full restructuring of the attic happened in this situation. Full air tightnesses, membranes fitted and full insulation seals. Again, engineering and PER engineering played a major part in this project. It's all hidden behind the walls, the timbers, the structure, the steel, the mechanical, but it was a huge part of the renovation. Here you can see the results, great head clearance in the rooms. You've got views again to the back garden and through the second dormer here. And you can see the whole scope from that level. Again, more storage. There are some mechanical zones here. You've got more power points, TV station there, data point. Again, more mechanical and more family storage. So the attic in this project was a great asset to the conversion, and for the family it's a great overflow space for multi-use. Okay, that's it for today's episode. On the final episode, on the next video blog, you will see the finishes here at handover stage. If you're considering a home renovation or extension project, don't forget to join us on all of our social media platforms, Plantech and Nuhaus.ie, or visit our showroom at Ballycoulin by appointment. Thank you.